Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset service on Jaguar F-Pace. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, use the steering wheel buttons to enter the instrument cluster menu, navigate to Vehicle then Service, and choose Reset Service. Hold Confirm if prompted and wait for the confirmation message. The cluster will update and clear the reminder, and the car will track the next service interval normally. Start by waking the cluster with the ignition position and use the right-hand arrows to access menus. Move through vehicle settings until you find service, then press OK to open the service options. Highlight Reset Service and hold OK to initiate the reset. You will see an on-screen confirmation, and the service interval will be cleared. If the reset does not take, repeat the steps and ensure the ignition is correctly set. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy car guides. Quick recommendation. Little Trees Black Ice is a simple way to keep your Jaguar smelling great after garage visits or long drives, and it fits right on your vent. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into issues, first check the ignition is fully on and not just accessory. Try the menu sequence again, making sure each selection is confirmed and held where required. If the service light still remains after 2 attempts, there may be a persistent fault code that needs diagnostic attention. In that case, visit a qualified technician or dealer so they can read codes and clear the reminder safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.